there, beautiful souls. Have you ever felt completely drained or just lacking energy? What if I told you that you can expand your aura and boost your energy with just a simple breathing technique? Intrigued? Stick around. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of auras. Your aura is a vibrant energy field that surrounds you, playing a crucial role in your overall well-being. A larger, more vibrant aura can make you feel more connected, peaceful, and energized. Sounds amazing, right? Let's get into it. Many of us struggle with a small or depleted aura, often without even realizing it. This can leave us feeling overwhelmed, anxious, and disconnected from our true selves. It's like trying to navigate life with a dim, flickering light. But don't worry, there's a simple way to reignite that inner glow. So, how can we expand our aura and boost our energy? The answer lies in our breath. Our breath is deeply intertwined with our energy levels and aura. By practicing specific breathing techniques, we can enhance and expand our energy field. Today, I'll guide you through a powerful yet simple breathing exercise to help you achieve just that. Alright, let's get started. First, find a comfortable seated position. Wear loose clothing to ensure you can breathe freely. Ground your feet firmly on the floor. Grounding means connecting with the earth, feeling stable and supported. Now, let's focus on our breath. We'll use a technique called abdominal breathing. When you breathe in, your abdomen should expand, and when you breathe out, your abdomen should contract. Place your hands on your lower abdomen to feel this movement. For this exercise, we'll use an aggressive breathing technique to really energize and expand your aura. We'll breathe in deeply for 6 seconds, hold the breath for 3 seconds, and then exhale forcefully for 6 seconds, holding again for 3 seconds. Let's do it together. Sit comfortably, relax, and focus. Ready? Here we go. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3. As you breathe in, imagine drawing energy up from the base of your spine to the top of your head. When you breathe out, visualize this energy expanding outward, growing your aura. Use your hands to guide this energy, moving them up as you inhale and down as you exhale. Show visuals of the host moving their hands to guide the energy flow. Repeat this breathing sequence 100 times to fully expand your aura field. With consistent practice, you'll notice incredible benefits: a more magnetic attraction, protection from negative energy, and a vibrant, glowing appearance. And that's it. By practicing this breathing technique regularly, you can maintain a healthy, expansive aura. Remember, a vibrant aura means a more connected, peaceful, and energized you. So why not give it a try? Encourage you to practice this breathing exercise daily and watch your energy transform. Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on boosting your energy and well-being. Until next time, stay radiant and keep shining. Subscribe and like the video.